pardon the noise, lots of activity right now. But anyway, this building is probably over 30 years old, and the long time ago that you got power into a building is you would come off the pole, run above ground, and go over into the building. Well, part of the modernization is we are going to run new power line input, and we're going to be putting it underground. So while he is digging that, me and my son are going to be getting this ready, and this is the wire that is going to be going in the ground that will feed their new business. And this is called 4-aught, 4-aught, 2-aught, and the way they go by that is, see how much bigger the diameter the black wire is compared to the yellow? So this will be a hot leg, and the neutral. All right, so it's been a really productive last hour or two. We got all the wire in the ground, and it now comes up to right here. We will take all this wire and we'll pull it up, and it'll await the power company, and they will run it through us the pole to tie it in. And we're now backfilling, and now this wire will tie into the meter base. We're actually doing away. We don't need, when they added onto this building, they brought in a separate power circuit. I don't know why they did that. We only need one 200 amp service. So we will tie in, and one of these are going to go away. So anyway, and if you guys are wondering what the extra PVC pipe is for, this is for us to run communication lines. Right now, all of those lines are old telephone lines that run, I don't know if you can see them, but they run right into the top of the building. This is all going away as well, and everything will be underground. We'll have fiber optics and internet service, data cables, and they'll all feed in through the PVC pipe. So, modernization. We've got the line here run out, and it's ready to be run into the meter base, and everything has been backfilled, buried and backfilled. And you can see over here, it goes all the way out, comes up, and it's ready for the power company to do their work on this end. So still got a lot of work and a lot of cleanup to do. I'll have to bring my tractor over to take care of that. But for now, we're calling it a day. So anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. You guys take care. Remember, at Project Next, there's always one more, so we'll have another video coming soon. And for now, have a great week, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much.